class. As you all know, in the previous video we have completed our exercise 2.4 up to question number 4th beta. Today we will do the remaining question. Question number 5th. A tank of drinking water contains 10 raised 1 by 12 liter of water. If 1 raised 5 by 6 liter is drunk each day, how much water will be left in the tank after 2 days? And in how many days will the leftover water in the tank be finished? In this question beta, we have given the amount of water present in the tank. The amount of water is equal to 10 raised 1 by 12 liter. We can write this mixed fraction into improper fraction, and that is equal to 121 by 12 liter. Out of this 121 by 12 liters, 1 raised 5 by 6 liter water drunk each day. How much water will be left in the tank after 2 days? If we drink 1 raised 5 by 6 liter in 1 day, then how much water we will drink in 2 days beta? Twice of the amount of water drunk by us in 1 day. Okay, so from here what we can write? We can write amount of water drunk per day is equal to 1 raised 5 by 6 liter, and that is equal to 11 by 6 liter. Okay, this is the amount which we drunk in 1 day, so easily we can calculate the amount of water drunk by us in 2 days. So amount of water drunk in 2 days. Okay, this is equal to 11 by 6 multiplied by 2 liter. As you know, there is a 2 highest common factor between 2 and 6. We can cancel this. This will become 1, this will become 3. So the amount is equal to 11 by 3 liter. Okay, and we have to find beta how much water is left. Initially we have this amount of water and we have drunk this amount of water. So by subtracting drunk amount of water from the total amount of water, we can find the left amount of water. Okay, so to find the left amount of water, water left is equal to 121 by 12 minus 11 by 3. Okay, so this is equal to LCM of 3 and 12 is 12. When 12 is divided by 12, we will get 1, and 1 should be multiplied by the numerator 121. So this is 121 minus, when 12 is divided by 3, we will get 4, and 4 should be multiplied to the numerator, that is 11 multiplied by 4. Now, so by solving this multiplication, what we have the amount of left water is equal to 121 minus 44 by 12, and this is equal to 77 by 12 liter. Okay, so after drinking water from the tank in 2 days, we have left with this amount of water beta. Okay, now what we have to find? Now we have to find in how many days we will finish the remaining water. Okay, so for this what we have to do? Look at here beta. As we know, this is the amount of water that we have left with. Okay, and we have to find the number of days in which we will finish this. So how can we calculate this? 1 raised 5 by 6, that is equal to 11 by 6 liter water drunk in 1 day. So from here 77 by 12 liter water will be drunk 77 by 12 divided by 11 by 6. Okay, as you know, we have given amount of water that we drink in one day, and then we have to find the number of days in which we will drink 77 by 12 liter. So this is equal to 77 by 12 divided by 11 by 6, and this is the division of fraction, and we know that division in case of fraction is done by changing the division sign into multiplication. So this division will become multiplication, and the second fraction, or we can say that the divisor will be converted into its reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 11 by 6 is equal to 6 by 11. So 11 is the highest common factor between 11 and 77. So this will become 1 and this will become 7. And 6 is the highest common factor between 6 and 12. So after cancelling, 6 will become 1 and 12 will become 2. So after this cancellation, what we have left with 7 by 2. And these are the days in which we will finish the remaining water of the tank. Okay, so this is the solution of your question number 5th beta. Now sixth question is same as like the fifth question. Try to do the sixth question by yourself beta. Now we will move on the question number 7th. Now look at the question number 7th. In the question number 7th, we have given that Rajat made 220 cookies. So total cookies are equal to 220. By the evening, he found that 1 by 10 of cookies were burnt. So burnt cookies are equal to 1 by 10 of 220 beta. Clear? And could not be sold. Now beta, please correct the statement of your question number 7th. In the question number 7th, here we have given that 1 raised 2 by 9. In the place of 1 raised 2 by 9, you have to write only 2 by 9 part. It is not 1 raised 2 by 9, it is only 2 by 9. Okay, here we do not have to write this one. Okay, so this is the correct statement of your question number 7th. Okay, here we have to write only 2 by 9 beta. Clear? Now what we have in this question, total amount of cookies is 220. Burnt cookies are 1 by 10 of this 220s, and after that Rajat sold 2 by 9 of the remaining cookies. So firstly we have to find the remaining cookies. Okay, to find the remaining cookies, we have to subtract the burnt cookies from the total cookies. What we have to do, we have to subtract burnt cookies from the total cookies. So look at here. So amount of burnt cookies is equal to 1 by 10 multiplied by 220. So after cancelling the common factor, what we have, this is 2 to 0, 0 to 0 cancel, and this is equal to 22. So the remaining cookies are equal to 2 to 0 minus burnt cookies, and that is 22, and this is equal to 198. Okay, after that in the A part, what we have to find how many cookies did he sell. So how many cookies did he sell? Cookies sold is equal to 2 by 9 of the remaining, and the remaining cookies are 198. So 2 by 9 of 198 is equal to 2 by 9 multiplied by 198, and that is equal to 2 multiplied by 198 by 9. Now 9 is the highest common factor between 9 and 198. So 9 will become 1 and this will become 22. After solving this, we will have the amount of sold cookies, and that is equal to 22 multiplied by 2, and this is equal to 44. So this is the answer of your A part of question number 7th beta. Okay, now in the B part, what we have to do, we have to find the remaining cookies. We have to find the fraction of remaining cookies after selling 44 cookies. Remaining cookies are equal to 198 minus 44, and that is equal to 154. Okay, so these are the cookies that we have after selling 44 cookies, and fraction is equal to, and the required fraction is equal to 154 by 198, and after cancelling the common factor, this is equal to 7 by 9. Okay, so this is the solution of your question number 7th beta. So this is the solution of your question number 7th. Firstly, what you have to do, firstly you have to find the remaining cookies by subtracting burnt cookies from the total cookies, and after that you have to find the number of cookies sold by Rajat, that is equal to 44, and after that you have to find the cookies that Rajat has left with after selling 44 cookies, that is 154, and at the last you have to find the fraction, and the fraction is equal to 154 by 198. After cancelling the common factor between 154 and 198, we will get 7 by 9. Okay, because 22 is the highest common factor between 154 and 198. So at the last, what are the answer? 44 is the answer of A part, and 7 by 9 is the answer of B part. So this is the solution of your question number 7th beta. I hope you will get it. Thank you. Have a nice day.